Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. If you are in this hobby, you probably know about the Wltoys A959, the 1/18 scale buggy, which is very successful price and performance product. Wltoys has decided to come up with a more affordable version of that one, which is Wltoys 184011. I really don't know why Wltoys is choosing these ridiculous number names for their products. It's really hard to remember. Wltoys 184011. Anyway, this is $28 cheaper than the Wltoys A959. Yes, it's really hard to remember those names. A959 has the maximum speed of 50 km per hour, but this one has 30 km per hour of speed because they would like to make this more affordable. The electronics, the battery, and also some parts of the car downgraded. So let's see what is in the box. This is a usual Wltoys and the XK brands box. When you look inside, same packaging, simple and useful. So first we get our 2S LiPo charger, user manual, and a tiny screwdriver, and the car itself. If you look with attention, you'll see that this is the exact same shape, the exact same body with the Wltoys A959, and this one is Wltoys 184011, the ridiculous name. The first thing that I realized, if you see here, the propeller shafts are plastic in this one, but at the A959 these are metal. The first downgrade. Same wheels. So let me open the hood. Let's see what we have there. Obviously the same 390 brush motor with a cooler, but downgraded electronics. So that's why it's making 30 km per hour, because this ESC, 2-in-1 ESC, is providing less amps to the motor in per minute. The battery also downgraded. The A959 has a LiPo battery which is 1100 milliamps. This one is a 900 milliamps hours 2S lithium ion battery. Also, this is another reason that you have lower speed. Same plastic gear servo. The central shaft is also plastic like the A959. Different shocks. Actually, springs feels really strong, but you cannot feel any oil in this one. But A959 shocks also comes without oil, but you can feel those shocks with oil. Even after a while they leak the oil, but you can at least. Differentials are also, of course, plastic. The spur gear is also plastic like the A959. Overall, the A959 is a very successful price and performance product for its price range, and also this one is $28 cheaper. I am sure even it is downgraded features, it is going to be a successful product for its price. So the question is, with these downgraded electronics, is it really going to make a 30 plus kilometers per hour? And one last thing that I would like to add, if you are going to use this with the stock setup, the quality of the components are really durable for 30 km per hour. Yes, they are plastic, but they are really flexible, so this flexibility will keep the car in one piece even when you crash somewhere. Of course, if you keep crashing, something is going to broken. But if you are willing to make some upgrades, I suggest you to buy the A959 version, because you already get the propeller shafts and some electronics more powerful. The A959 version has a range of 100 meters with its remote controller, but this one has a range of 80 meters. So also your remote distance is also downgraded, and it requires for AA batteries. The car has a different plug, not the DINS plug. Most of us have it, so if you have any other LiPo batteries that you can use on this one, you need to change these plugs also. Okay, let's see how fast does it go, and if I can find some cent, we can see the dirt performance of this new, affordable, the cheaper version of the Wltoys A959. And I would like to tell you the name of this car again. It is Wltoys 184011. Let's see the top speed.